how to have an amazing beach trip with our favorite beach eats in Destin. And when we thought it couldn't get any better, a fabulous dinner where we get to watch the fireworks on the beach and what we did on our rainy day in Destin. Hi, I'm Ashley. This is our Destin vlog series. We had an amazing beach day. Destin is known for its gorgeous white sandy beaches, its emerald water. She's like, now what do I do? And a lot of family fun things to do. Let me see. This was a really great budget family beach trip in Florida with me, my husband, our 2 kids, and my mom.
It's very bright and sunny. We're getting sunburned despite the inordinate amount of sunscreen. It's very sunny.
And after a full morning at the beach, we had lunch at Al's Beach Grill, which was pretty good for like a quick hamburger, chicken nuggets, fries. I love it when you can just have lunch right there on the beach with a gorgeous view. And then they had this cute little splash pad that Olivia loved. And then we reapplied sunscreen and headed back to the beach. And we were so lucky that these boogie boards and these sand toys were all provided by the Airbnb we were staying at. I also have a full video from our day 1 Destin vlog linked down below for you. Olivia loves finding seashells. We did have a beach hat for her and a zip-up rash guard, which we love for the beach or pool. It's so nice. She can put it on, take it off, goes over her swimsuit without having to go over her head. I will link the one that we got from Amazon down below. It's really nice to have, especially for the beach. I didn't get her any pants yet. These are actually my pants that she's wearing to help keep the sun off of her. She started to get a little pink and we didn't want that. So we reapplied sunscreen and put the beach pants on her. But as soon as we came home, I found some really great kids beach pants. They're nice linen at Target.
Hey.
I think you might need about 2 or 3 more. What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Some fun.
Oh, great fun. You have fun?
So nice.
Very nice.
We went back to the Airbnb, got cleaned up, and came back on the beach boardwalk for dinner. Where we went to Angler's Beachside Grill, which we strategically planned because we knew they were going to have the best firework view off of the pier, which the kids absolutely loved.
No, it's not like
was actually forecasted to have all rain. So I looked up some things to do in Destin while it was raining, and we decided to go to the Destin Commons, which is a really cute outdoor shopping center. Now this was our last day, so we're literally carrying around our luggage with us, but luckily we pack very light. We only take one personal item each. It saves on cost for budget airlines, but also when you're in situations like this where you have to be out of the Airbnb by 10 a.m. and your flight's not till 6 p.m., it's not a huge deal to be able to take your luggage around with you, as it's just like a big purse, but you can still fit everything in, which is incredible. So I went around some shops, checked out the Bass Pro Shop.
What did Mommy tell you?
Mommy said that I could pick out one.
You can.
You can.
What are you gonna pick out?
I don't know yet.
You gotta buy some bait when you're in a Bass Pro Shop in Destin, Florida.
I mean, the only thing the girl wants is a stuffed animal and some fishing bait.
Right?
That's what you're picking out? Or are you just thinking about?
Just thinking
Okay,
about
this
it?
is an option. Got
Okay.
it.
Want to put these back? Okay. Alright.
There's other
Yeah,
aisles.
we got lots more aisles.
There's a
So,
lot
yeah.
more, okay? He's smiling. Look at him. Show me what you picked out.
So I picked this. So cute.
It is cute, pretty, and pink.
Yep.
Pretty and
And then ended with a movie before heading to the airport.
Did you like it?
yeah. I actually thought I would like it a lot less.
I liked it more than I thought it would too.
Yeah.
It was cuter.
Yeah.
What'd you think, Mom?
Okay.
Jesse, did you like it?
Yeah.
Watching Lilo and Stitch. Buy us some time
Yeah.
for the airport.
If you want to see a full review of our experience flying Allegiant, I will link that down below for you guys too. If you haven't checked out our other 2 vlogs from Destin, I will link those for you guys as well.
Oh, there's a dolphin!
And this is only our first beach trip of this summer, so be sure to subscribe so you can stay tuned for our next beach trip next month.